Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to be unboxing and reviewing the HerGivenHair coily clip-ins. If you haven't seen my kinky clip-ins, you can check that video. I'll leave it in the cards and also in the description box. But I actually went ahead and purchased the coily clip-ins. I did say I was going to review it, but then I had another protective style, and so I'm finally reviewing them now. I'm actually going to wash them, and I'm showing you guys the washing process before I actually put them in. But I washed them a few days before so that it would have time to dry it out. Now I'm just using whatever shampoo and conditioner. I'm not very particular. I just kind of use what I would use any conditioner shampoo that I have on hand, really. But I do wash it as if I would wash my own natural hair. Now, as I show you guys in the screen, they do give you a booklet of how to recommended products that they would suggest, but again, it's like your choice, whatever you want to use. But they do have recommended hair products from some notable brands like CGIN and stuff like that, and also how to maintain the hair and aftercare and care when you have them, and etc, etc. But I've been wearing their other clip-ins before, so I'm used to using them, so I won't say that I'm a pro, but I've done it enough times to know how to use it, if it makes sense. But it's great. That information is definitely great for if you're like first at clip-ins, or you're unaware and you're not sure, then they give you the clip-ins. Something else that I need to note, that I showed you guys, but they also give you the extra clamps to add them. I haven't personally done it before, but I do have the clamps. Because I would have to watch a tutorial, but like I said, these are brand new. This is my first time putting on the coily ones, at least, so the clamps are not going to just get messed up just like that, because I just got them this year, so it's gonna take a while for them to start getting rusted. That's normally what happens to them after a while. That's what happens to my kinky one, but even so, they're still in good condition. You guys can check that one out that I've had. But anyway, now I'm just going with conditioner like I would do with my natural hair, and then just brushing out to detangle the hair. And of course, I just rinse it out. And I'll see you guys for the next. It is a couple of days later. I am actually going to now get my hair together, so I'm not going to show that because I feel like it's going to take too long, but pretty much I'm going to do the normal thing that I normally do. I'll come back, which is braid like majority of my hair. I like to do it protective way. I've done it both ways, which is like leave out, but I'm trying to do more protective styles in a sense. Thus the front of my hair will be manipulated, but at least the back of my hair is not too much manipulation going on. So these are the coily clip-in now that they've dried. Now I put everything everywhere, so I don't even know which length is which, to be honest. I can tell this is the longer length, but anyway, this is what the hair looks like dried. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually section out my hair, whatever. Oh, but what I really came to do was just quickly show you guys, like, this is what my hair looks like. So definitely mimics, and I'm like, my hair is now like half dry, so like dry now, so I feel like it's not showing the coily pattern as much, but my hair, like if it's drenched wet, you can definitely see it. Maybe I'll link a photo of what my hair looks like freshly washed. You can really see the coils. And also when I use certain products, I feel like gels, you can see the coils. So now I'm going ahead and applying the clip-ins. Now you can do different methods. I've done it two ways, which is starting from the shorter pieces and then working my way up and the longest piece on the top. I didn't do it this way this time. This time I started with the longest piece. I would suggest though to do the shorter lengths on the bottom and work your way up. I didn't do it this time, but it still ended up working out. In my mind, I guess I was just wanted to get it done. So that's why. But I'm actually doing this on freshly washed hair, as you guys saw. So I just braided up my hair as I said I was going to, and then I just did it that way. Some people do their whole hair and then do leave outs. Personally, I feel like it's just easier and faster for me when I braid up most of my hair. And I'm not really like a cornrow braid person. I don't really know how to braid it like that. So I just do simple like regular braids, like loose braids, and then I just pin it up because that just makes my life a little easier. Personally, that's how I do it, and it works for me. And then I just leave out in the front for the part that I'm gonna leave out. Now this is the leave out that I have. I know I'm looking a little crazy now, but it's gonna look better once we're done. Now I'm still putting up the last two, I believe, that I had left for the clip-ins. Now I'll leave the name and the length of it and everything in the description box so you guys know what type of hair that I have. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and do the leave out section part. So generally, I just like to spritz my hair with water. You can do whatever you want, really, but this is just my method. And then I go ahead with some type of gel. Right now, Let's Jam has been my favorite so far for slicking my hair. So that's what I'm going to do, just so that my front of my hair looks sleek and flat. Now, they did give me a coupon code. Again, this is not sponsored, just like my last video, but they saw my last video, which was the kinky clip-ins video, and they liked that I promoted the brand, so they did give me a coupon code, which is Abigail CS, like you saw on the screen. And so if you guys are interested, like I said, I'm still will be down with HerGivenHair clip-ins anytime I want to do like a twist out or braid out type of situation, but I don't necessarily want to do it my hair. And then also with the frizziness and like everything like that, this is my go-to, grabbing my clip-ins and putting them in. And for me, they last me a week. I can do this stuff for a week, so I'm not in my hair every day as I would be if I made my natural hair. Now I do use clips just to like pin down any like parts that are sticking up from my natural hair, and then the rest of the natural hair that's out, I actually just combine it with the clip-in hair just so that I can blend it in, and then I kind of just, it forms together. Now you can use product. I didn't show you guys the product, but you can use a gel or whatever you want to use, a regular styling product, to style it just so that it can help get good curls. Anyway, this is me tying the front of my hair. I did do twist out the whole hair. Now I do not retwist every day because that's a lot. I just retwist the parts that where my natural hair is, if that makes sense. So like maybe it's about 5 twists, I retwist that, but the rest of the hair I just leave it as is. So now this is day 2 of me having it. This is what the hair is looking like. I like it because it's like, it gives natural hair. It has the right enough amount of frizz, but still the right enough curls. Anyway, thanks for watching. Bye.